Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas is trading at a level of $3.0800. Okay, and chances are very high that we can see a further upside movement. Okay, and what we have seen that there is a continuous upside and a probability of moving further upside because there is a clear U pattern is forming. Okay, so chances are very high that it can go above a level of 3.15. Now it has already made a half around $3.13, and then it can go further towards a level of around $3.2 because we have seen this pattern is always supporting at this level and these levels are already weak. So chances are high that we can see a further upside movement. If you look at the dollar index also, what we have seen, dollar index is continuously on a higher side. Okay, because what we have seen that this is the level we have seen at a level of 104.9, and this is a strong resistance previously. Now the price has gone above a level of 105.388. We can see there will be a further upside. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail id in the description. And please watch the full video so I understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now looking at this particular chart, what we can see dollar index is continuously on a higher side. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it will touch a level of $105.5, and from there a further upside movement we can see towards a level of 106. Okay, and probability is very high that if the price keep moving above this level, a probability of touching 106.5 will be there. Okay, and if that sustain, a further upside movement. But if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards 104.9, and from there a level of 104.7. Okay, and if the price started falling below that particular zone, chance of touching a level of 104.5 will be there, and then to a level of 104.3, and then further low. But if the price didn't sustain, it can come down. Keep that in mind that what we have seen the dollar index started going upside, as well as the natural gas price also moving upside since last 2 days. Okay, so what we can see that there will be a chances like a further upside movement we can see if the dollar started going upside. So suppose if the price sustain, it can go towards $3.10. After that it can cross a level of 3.13 and can move towards a level of 3.2. Okay, if the price keep moving above that particular zone, chances of touching a level of 3.37 we can see. Okay, if that sustain, a probability of crossing a level of 3.5. This 3.5 is already being weak, so chances of touching a level of 3.65 we can see. And if that sustain, a further upside movement we can see towards a level of 3.9 and then a further upside. But if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards a level of $3. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further low we can see towards 2.94. Okay, suppose if the price falling below that particular zone, chance of touching a level of 2.8 we can see, and from there a level of $2.69. Okay, and if the price falling below that particular zone, chance of touching a level of 2.58, and then it will move below a level of 2.5. If the price falling below that particular zone, we can see it will fall towards a level of 2.3 and then to a level of 2.14. After 2.3 we can see a level of 2.14, and from there it will move below a level of $2. Okay, if the price falling below that level, a further fall we can see towards 1.8 and then further low. So keep that in mind that the probability is very high that if the price started falling below $2, a further fall we can see. Okay, you have to keep it in mind that whenever you start your trade, always try to set your SL so your capital can be saved. Okay, and once you start in profit, always try to trail your profit so that you can sustain for a longer period of time, or you can take your profit home. Okay, you can trail your SL by 80%, 75%, whatever percent you want to trade, so that your that amount of capital can be saved or profit. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.